Lamig, sobra. Dito kami ngayon sa Vancouver. At nilalamig ka? Ako din eh. Lamig, sobra. So cold. Lamig! Lamig! Lamig ka? Kulang pa, kulang pa. Lamig.
One, two, three, go! Topic! Yan, nandito. Ready? Ando na ba? Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bato, pink. Bato, pink.
Boys Global Dance Project, not the flip.
Yes, kasama din nila dyan. Ang mga the-flip students. Together with Fiance and Francis Self, Sharon, and Joshua, the students of Secret Project Global. Now would you dance with us? This is more than movement. This is that feeling of being whole. Kapamilya. Uwi na ba? That's right, now we're here to sing to the rock teams. That's right. Exactly. All right. Huwag na malungkot, guys. Now let's bye.
There's nothing to fear. I know you'll find someone who cares. I know you'll find
Sorry na. Di man sinisay?
Mr. and Miss? Wala pa.
Ha? Para hindi mawala. And it's,
Dapat wala ito. Dagdag lang.
no, it's meant for. Oh. Okay. Sorry na, be.
Sa taas, oo.
Hindi ya.
Gusto na kanya, oh.
Tonto yan.
Ayaw niya. Ano yun? Pasabog.
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 Oh.
That's a blessing.
Wow, blessing.
Inisip ko kayo.
Yeah.
Yung garland bit yan. Yun din, ayusin mo yung garland yan. Ayun. Yung garland yan. Ayusin mo.
So ready.
tinadhana kahit na magkalayo. Kilayo ng pinagmulan, pinaglapit ng pagmamahalan at nagkaibigan. Mahal kita, mahal mo rin ako. Habang buhay na ito, dasal ko sa kanya. Ikaw ang blessing ko sa buhay kong ito, sabay tayo.
Julina! Hi po! Welcome po! Kasi sa labas na lang tayo. Hi, Katie! Hi, guys! Thank you, everyone. Nice to see you again. Katie Katie naman! Yes, mamaya, Alex, mag-game tayo. Hello, hello! Bye muna kayo sa inyong mga fans. Hi, everyone! Afternoon na ba? Hello po! Hi, everyone! How are you? I hope everyone's doing fine. We're so excited to spend the day with you guys. So, yeah, let's go! Yay. So, it's so good to be here in Canada. It's our first time. So, thank you so much for making us feel at home right away. Yes, Katie?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you everyone for taking your time to come here, and we really feel your warmth and really feel your welcoming energy. Thank you guys so much for coming, and yeah, super happy to be here as well. Lalo na first time namin, and I'm just ecstatic right now.
Sige! Isa pa po. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you po.